it like this. You're required to use a light motion. I'm slacking off CapCut, sorry. But if you have no idea how to use a light motion or too confused to even use it, just watch my beginner tutorial, it's very helpful. But for those who need my pro editing skills, lol, here's a tutorial that was highly requested from my Discord server. Join if you haven't if you got one. I will link in the description.
So please join.
Tutorial time.
Now watch it.
Hope you're still watching.
Like and subscribe. Or you will have this
Very helpful.
helpful idea.
Pausing the video to
Follow along.
Why I check my beginner tutorial, and it looks like
Nobody even watched it.
like what the
like, please watch it like pretty please.
Like, please watch it like pretty please.
like please watch it like pretty please.
Like, please watch it like pretty please. Like, please watch it like pretty please.
Hopefully that's
Enough to convince you.
SU.
You.
SU.
anyways.
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 Let's say this because I'm tired of explaining and then you still don't understand. But it's okay. It's not your fault. I don't understand any of this crap either. I'll just tell you the best effects on a light motion, then all future tutorials will be short because
'Cause I have a life.
and I'm pretty sure that's all the best effects to use. Just ignore the ones that are pro if you don't think you can use them, but you can watch ads if it works for you.
Signing out. Bye!